I'm Tazi, and in this Sprout Bites video, I'm excited to showcase Trellis Studio. Trellis is a game changer in the moment, but the real shift in the next era of business happens when you can operationalize the intelligence at scale. That is the power of Trellis Studio. Up until now, keeping a pulse on performance was a burnout task. It meant setting up calendar reminders every Monday to spend hours digging through layers of dashboards and spreadsheets just to find the why behind our numbers. Trellis Studio ends that cycle by letting you build skills for Trellis that will do personalized work that's most important to your business. I'm a social media manager at the large national pet supply company, Snouts, Paws, and Tails. Our current quarterly numbers are a bit down, and I want to make sure I'm keeping a pulse on weekly performance. I'm going to show you how you can use Trellis to solve this problem. Trellis lives on the left-hand navigation bar. You'll see there is this section here called Trellis Studio. Trellis Studio is where you can scale Trellis insights, especially for ones you know you'll need on a recurring basis. There are multiple templates you can select from. I'm going to select Performance Pattern Finder because this sounds like it will deliver those exact why insights on my performance I so desperately need. What's so wonderful about Studio is that we have templates for you to choose from, but you can then further personalize these templates unique to your business needs. I'm going to name my skill, so it's easy for me to remember what it's all about. And I can also select which profiles I want to analyze, what type of posts, and my favorite feature, what specific tags, if any, you want to look at. I can also choose the cadence of when these insights will be delivered. So now I have under your skills, my first skill built in Trellis Studio. It's set to run on Mondays. So fast forward a week and look at that. A little notification popped up. That's my Snouts, Paws, and Tails performance pattern notification that those insights are ready. So I'm going to select View in Trellis. So now I can see the weekly brand pulse, giving me top categories to dig into my performance data. I'm seeing overall momentum, what people are talking about, sentiment drivers, top engagement moments, and what to watch. With just a quick look, I can already tell that spring dog walk content is on the rise, that it looks like there are several influencers who organically tag the brand in their weekend dog walk content. I should probably have someone on my team reach out to them. It also looks like that UGC is outperforming our brand content right now, which is pretty interesting. So really good to keep in mind, especially since there's so much spring dog content that their audience is already putting out there. And finally, seems like there are some opportunities to improve our education around our sizing. These insights were delivered automatically. I know the what, the when, the why, and even the what's next, all within a few minutes of giving me the insights that would have taken me hours before to pull, all thanks to Trellis Studio.